how to easily wrap a door cup on a van like this, or any vehicle for that instance that has a door cup like this. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. So, to demonstrate. Around here. So I'm not going to worry about going around this key pad thing. We got it laid down around here. You want to make sure you're tight. Like I've got some fingers here, but those will go away, no problem, once we hit this with a little bit of heat. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this whole area. We're going to wait a few seconds so it's not too hot, and then we're going to use our wrap glove to push the film in. So go ahead, heat it up. Waiting a few seconds. In the meantime, I can. All right, so now just gonna start in the middle. I like to always start in the middle. Some people start at one side, work their way around. I always like to start in the middle. And just putting good pressure on. And you always want to leave this open, not pushing this down before you push this center down, so that the air can go out through there. A little more heat there. As you can see, we got this little bubble. That's no problem. A good film. After you get this all down, then you can go here and push this down. I always like to use my nail to really get that pushed down in there. Same here. After you get that down, make sure you post heat this really well. I always like to hit it with a little bit of heat. Go over it with my hand again. Make sure there's no bubbles in there, especially on the edges. And then hit it with more heat to seal the deal. Finished product should look like that, other than those bubbles, because I didn't bother with that. But here's the cool thing about really good vinyl, so you can just do that. All right, last thing you need to do afterwards is just trim that out. Just don't cut on the paint, or just know your cutting pressure. Here you can just kind of push these down and just cut on the inside of those to get a nice clean cut. All right, guys, and that is how to quickly wrap door cup, and that won't fail. So make sure you do the proper post heat depending on the material that you're using. Check manufacturer specifications for post heat temperatures. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.